Okay, what you're looking at here is a 2004 Independence Cycle Pro Street motorcycle purchased in 2005 with a venerable 110 cubic inch, 110 horsepower RevTech bulletproof engine. We've got a Jesse James front fender, custom front fender with the louvers. 47 degree rake, halogen lights front and rear. That's a custom $5,000 ghost flame paint job on this motorcycle with a Jesse James Python and ostrich skin custom seat. Very comfortable. This bike has 1,400 original miles on it with synthetic oil. One of the nicest bikes on the road. Classic spoke 240 rear tire with the Arlen Ness Medora exhaust. Front sets. And we're going to fire it up for you right now. Oh, that's custom speakers for your iPod. We're going to fire the engine up for you right now. It's 110 cubic inches of power. This bike gets looks wherever you go. Gorgeous bike.